Okay, so how do we name this angle? Well, this is a vertex that's going to go in the middle. So it's angle DEF, because that's alphabetical, but this is also correct, angle FED. For this one, it's angle, this is the vertex, so that's in the middle, FGH, or angle HGF, using all 3 points. For this one, we need to name angle 1 on this side, okay? This is the vertex. This could be the first one. This would be the second one. This would be the third point. So it can be angle TKS, or the other order is angle SKT. To name angle 2, again, this is the vertex. This is the first point. This is the third point. So angle SKY, or angle YKS. Name angle 3 down here. So this would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3. Angle LAR, or angle RAL. Angle 4, this could be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3, so it can be angle RAT, or the other order TAR, but A stays in the middle. Angle 5, so this would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3, so it could be angle TAN, or angle NAT. Last one. Angle 6, this could be 1, this is always 2, this could be 3, to be angle NAB, or the other way, angle BAN. Those are your options. So now you're going to take your exit ticket. You're going to have to know what supplementary, complementary, and congruent mean, and then you're going to name an angle.